Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the location and firing order of the cylinders for a Mazda 3 2.0 liter from the years 2004 to 2009. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. The first thing we need to do to find out the location and firing order of the cylinders is to stand in front of the car. We open the hood and look at the front of the engine. The location and order would be as follows. On the left side is cylinder number 1, and on the right side is cylinder number 4. In the center are cylinders number 2 and 3. The firing order is as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, that is, on the passenger side. As I mentioned earlier, this location is when you're standing in front of the engine. Next, cylinder number 3 fires. After that, cylinder number 4 fires, which is on the right side, on the driver's side near the battery, then cylinder number 2 would fire. Well, my friends, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.